बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. You have to try this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel for the love of. I am Surbhi. For those of you who don't know, I recently went to Melbourne, Australia, and I was there for a good 3 weeks. It was my first international trip, so I was very excited to explore all the places, to shop a lot of things. In case you haven't watched my vlogs, I'm gonna link them in the description box below. Luckily, I happened to be there at the time of Christmas, which is the perfect time to shop because everything is on such a discount and you just want to buy everything, but obviously that's not possible because you have a luggage limit as well. So I got a lot of great deals on a lot of things: cosmetics, handbags, jewelry, very pretty diaries from Typo. Oh my god, I wish I could buy everything from Typo. So I thought I should make a haul video. So if you go there, you know a few brands where you can buy from, or a few things or few markets where you can definitely shop from. So without making this introduction a lengthy essay, let's get started with the haul. So obviously whenever we go on any international trip, the first thing that we have to buy is the souvenirs from that place. So I did the same. I bought a few cute Australian souvenirs for my friends and family. So the first thing that I bought is these bookmarks. So I got 2 packs actually. This one is a pack of 3, and then there is this another one, very beautiful 24K gold plated bookmark. Now you can see it. Fridge magnets. So first one is this ceramic fridge magnet which has 3 koalas on it and it has Australia written on it. Then there are these 2. These are made of wood. So this one has a Melbourne scene on it. This is the Flinders Station. The next thing is really cool and which I personally really like. It is this souvenir business card holder. That is how it looks. This wheel actually goes like this and you can put your business cards here. There is a nice space in the middle of this. The quality of this one is really great. This one is in metal. You can also use this as a paperweight. Next thing is these really cute keychains. So one of these is a kangaroo and one is a koala. और ये मैंने अभी तक यूज भी नहीं किया because I just want to. ये इतने क्यूट और इतने सॉफ्ट है. आई डोंट वांट टू मेक देम डर्टी. मुझे बस इनको अपने पास रखना है. अगली चीज़ और भी ज़्यादा क्यूट है एंड इट्स रियली यूजफुल. यू कैन गिव दिस टू योर फ्रेंड्स. यू कैन यूज इट एट योर होम. इट्स दीज koala clippers, I think they are called. So yeah, like you can open it up like this and you can put anything. You can also put it like on your sleeve here. See. So you get a pack of these, I think a pack of 20. Okay, next thing is my personal favorite. It is this travel mirror. This one is in metal and it has scenes from the Melbourne city. This is the Flinders Street station and 2 penguins in the city circle tram here. And इसका क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है. ये मेटल में है. मेरे पास कोई ट्रैवल मिरर था भी नहीं. Something that I can easily just put in my bag. So I thought this would be perfect. So it has the mirror on both the sides if you can see. अब last thing souvenirs में that I have is t-shirts. I have picked 3 different t-shirts. One is in yellow. That is how it looks. The other one in white. It has a koala made on it. And the last one is in this cherry red color. I personally love the color of this one a lot. So I got all 3 of these for $20 from Queen Victoria Market again. Actually, I just realized all the souvenirs that I've bought, that I've just showed you, all of them are for Queen Victoria Market and the prices of these things was pretty reasonable there. Now the next category is bags. I picked up a few of them and mostly all of them are from this same brand. So it's Colette by Colette Hayman, and actually when I went to their store they were running a huge discount which was 50% off, and I think it was a steal deal and I got some really exciting and fun pieces. The first bag that I have is this classic black mini bag with a furry pom-pom here. So it has these two small handles, but then it also comes with a big strap if you want to attach it. And it is quite spacious. You can easily carry your wallet, your mobile phone, some extra carry-ons you want to keep. I think उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. The next piece that I have is this classic black and snake print bag. That's how it looks. And it says this one is a limited edition. They also have provided a bigger belt which you can attach on the sides and make it like a proper shoulder bag. Along with this, they have given this embellishment, fringe embellishment, which you can attach anywhere on the bag like here and give it a nice look. ये पहले वाले से भी ज़्यादा spacious है, as you can see. The next one is this mini sling bag. This one is such a beautiful piece. So this is actually velvet and it has this gold hardware. These are actually two bees here, and this one is leather. This is a leather flap, so you open it like this. And inside, what I loved about this bag is this chain. Usually ऐसे sling bags में हमें ये zip नहीं मिलता है. But like if you're going to a function and you want to keep your credit card or like money, and again with this one also you get this strap. The next piece is this sturdy tan brown wallet. This one has a gold hardware. This one actually has two zippers. So yeah, one comes with a chain partition, this one, where you can put in your precious things, and a lot of pockets for the cards, for the money. And I think you can, अगर आप सिर्फ market जा रहे हो, you can also throw in your phone in this and just take it as it is, because it is pretty big as compared to the usual wallets, and it's quite spacious also. जैसे ही मैं ये सब pieces का billing कराने के लिए billing counter पे गई, obviously you have these impulse products kept on the side racks, and there was one of these very beautiful, again tan brown but with like a crocodile print tiny wallet kept there, and I absolutely loved it. And I thought ये कितना useful रहेगा. So you can also open it like this, put in your cards here, और there is a chain also जिसमें आप अपने पैसे, cards कुछ भी रख सकते हैं, coins and everything. You know, someday I don't want to carry like a big bag, so I can simply put this in my pocket, or I can also put this one in like a clutch or something, and all of my money and everything would be safe. So personally I am really excited to use this one, और मुझे ये बहुत ही पसंद है. The last bag that I picked up is this black tote. So this one is like a canvas bag, and it has Australia written on it, and it has this beautiful floral print. So I picked up this one in this color black. इसमें और भी colors थे. There was a blue, there was a pink, and the great part is कि इसके अंदर ये zip भी है. So you can zip it up and all your belongings would be safe in here. First fact that you would know about me is that I love beautiful diaries. Like, I have a thing for collecting, you know, diaries which have something beautiful written on them, something beautiful made on them. So while I was there, I happened to go to Typo, which is this beautiful stationery brand, and they have these very pretty diaries, very pretty notebooks and registers, pens, whatnot. Everything is something that you would want to buy. Two beautiful diaries that I bought. First one is this baby pink unicorn diary in this spiral bind. It has like very beautiful unicorn and donuts embossed in them. The next one is something which wasn't very worth the price but was very beautiful. Is this rose gold full of glitter diary. And doesn't this look very amazing? Previous diary that you saw was actually for $4, and this one costed me $10, but I ended up buying it because it was so pretty. up is from a brand that I'm sure each and every girl loves and wants to go every day if possible. It's Sephora! Yay! I got these two palettes from Sephora. One is the Carly Bible palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and the other one is the Becca Eye and Face palette. Talking about the first palette, so this is a Carly Bible eyeshadow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And guys, look at the shades in this palette. It has this very beautiful silver and pink packaging, and even the shades in this palette are amazing. Like, they're lovely. Like, some of the shades are very basic, but then some are super glittery, super amazing. Next up is this beautiful face and eye palette by Becca Cosmetics. It has very beautiful highlight and blush shades, which you can use to add a pop of color to your eyes, your cheeks, and look at the packaging, it's so beautiful. The next is two perfumes that I picked up from My Chemist. Now, My Chemist is a store where you get all the premium brands at a really discounted prices. So I picked up these two perfumes from there. This one is Flora by Gucci and then this one is Instinct by David Beckham. Yeah, you get this really tiny bottle, but iska fragrance काफी अच्छा है. Yes, I really like it. Follow Your Instinct by David Beckham, and it smells heavenly. Now let's talk about the next category, which is jewelry. We'll start with this brand called Lovisa. They have some really beautiful jewelry, right from neck pieces to earrings to even hairbands and rings and everything. Very, very beautiful. First one are these Swarovski crystal studs. I picked up quite a few boxes, as you can see. So these are from their different collections, and even the boxes are very pretty. I think gifting purpose ke liye it's wonderful. You just pick one. First one is from their Believe collection. It's this one. It has three different pendants, one in silver, one in rose gold and one in gold. It says love, dream and believe. That's how it looks. Next one is this Sparkle and Shine. This is from one of their sun collection. So it basically has three different suns. One again is in silver, one in rose gold and one in gold, and it has a little bit of rhinestone detailing going on. So next one is my personal favorite. This one is from their Moon collection. I love this one. इसमें भी पहले दो की तरह एक सिल्वर, एक रोज गोल्ड और एक गोल्ड पेंडेंट है, एंड इसमें मून के डिफरेंट फेजेस बने हुए हैं, एंड here it says new moons, new beginnings, and this one I think it's beautiful. This would look so lovely. The last neck piece that I got from Lovisa is from their Believe collection. It is their multi charm pendant, and I think this is a very classic piece, very simple, yet it would look beautiful when you put this on. Next is this Celestial choker set, again from Lovisa. It has total 5 chokers and a few, so this one has like a little bit of beading in it. This is a chain one. Next up in jewelry is this beautiful chain piece. This one I bought from Colette, and I randomly मुझे बस ये दिख गया था, and I was like, oh wow, I have to buy this. Next up is this absolutely stunning layered necklace from Colette. That is how it looks. You can see the first 2 layers in this neck piece are actually rhinestones, and the third one is a silver chain. This is such a classic piece. You can wear this with Indian or with Western outfits, and it would lift up the whole look. Next up we have this layered necklace, again in rose gold, and this one I bought from Target. The rectangular one has Scorpio written on it, and on the circle you have the Scorpio sun sign engraved. Let's talk about the last two jewelry items that I have, and those are earrings. I picked up these two pieces in silver. One is these big silver hoops and with rhinestones all over it. Silver pair of earrings. Now you must have seen exactly same earrings in gold. They're all over the place. H&M, Zara, everywhere. Everybody is wearing them. हमने Instagram, YouTube सब पे देखा है. Moving on to the next category, which is apparel. The first item that I picked from Cotton On is this basic striped t-shirt. I got this only for $5. There were so many options there. Shades of reds, orange and pinks. That is how it looks. The next item that I picked up from Cotton On is this striped bodycon dress. This one is in the shade of burnt orange. Let's talk about skirts now. I picked up 3 different and cute skirts, and the first skirt that I picked up is this black fur leather skirt with a zip on the side. So this one is in a medium size, and ये last piece बचा था Cotton On में, and picked this up without even trying because I was like only for $10 और मेरे पास ऐसा leather look वाला skirt है भी नहीं. So I happened to be in Australia during summers, and I noticed कि the girls there wear a lot of skirts. They would wear ruffle skirts, net skirts, denim skirts and whatnot. Every type of skirt they would wear every day. So I found up this black pleated skirt, and I picked up this one from a local store. The last and the most beautiful skirt that I have is this one. This one is a net with a shimmer lining, and this has like an ombre shade going on, and इसका जो net है that is pleated, and इसका नीचे का if you can see, this has like a glitter thing going on all over, and I think this is such a wonderful piece. So beautiful. We have almost reached the end of the video, and the last category, actually it's not a category but a few bits and pieces that are left. The first one that I have is this bag hanger. What you can do is you can pick up one of these bag hangers. It opens up like this. Just open it up, keep it on the table like this. So इसका ये जो side है ये table के ऊपर रखा जाएगा. So you put it on the table like this, and you can hang any of your bags over here. And the purpose of it is to hang your bags whenever you go to a restaurant or a cafe, or maybe anywhere, any place where you know you don't want to keep your bag on the table because it might get dirty because of the food, or you also don't want to hang it on the chair. So you can just put this on the table and then hang your bag here, so your bag would be safe in front of your eyes. The next random item that I picked up is this very cute panda squishy. Next thing that I picked up is these liquor chocolates. These are from this brand called Anthony Berg, and you get these, you get these in Coles. You can get them in Big W or Dan Murphy's, anywhere. So what exactly are these is, ये बाहर का जो इनका outer coating है वो chocolate का होता है, और उसके अंदर it has actual liquid liquor filled up. अगर आपके friends कभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाएंगे ना, तो सबसे ज़्यादा वो आपके लिए ये लेके आने वाले हैं, which is Tim Tam. Now this is somewhere on the lines of a biscuit cookie, so it has like a chocolatey outer but then is a biscuit center inside, and it comes in so many different flavors. It comes in mint, vanilla, dark chocolate. This one is an original, then you have raspberry, blueberry. बहुत सारे अलग अलग flavors होते हैं, and बहुत yummy होता है यार. मतलब you have to try this once. The last product of this Melbourne shopping haul, and something जो मैं सिर्फ हॉल बनाने के लिए वेट करी थी, मैंने अभी खोला भी नहीं है. It's this Cadbury cookies. I randomly picked this up from Big W one day, which is the department store, and अब मैं इसको खोल के खाने वाली हूँ कि ये कैसा है. So look at the size of these cookies. Oh my god. I'm sure बहुत yummy होगा because smells heavenly. बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. You have to try this. I'm not sure if this is available in India. If you find it, please let me know in the comment section below because बहुत अच्छा है. And hey, I completely forgot to talk about the last item, which is this magenta pink hoodie that I'm wearing. I picked this one up from Queen Victoria Market for $20 and it is very warm, so it's perfect for winters. It has this Australia printed on one of the sleeves. It has Melbourne written over here. Then there is the flag of Australia made over here, and then it says Down Under, because as you know Australia is called Down Under. And then it has these two pockets over here. This one is so comfortable and I picked this one a size up for the size that usually fits me because I like oversized hoodies and मेरे पास ये color था भी नहीं and I was so lucky to get this one. So that was it for my Melbourne shopping haul video. That is all the stuff that I got. If you happen to go to Australia and you want to pick some beautiful things for yourself, I would definitely recommend you go to Colette and you go to Louisa to pick up some really nice and affordable handbags and jewelry. I can't wait to experiment with all the jewelry and all the clothing items that I got and style them and put all the pictures on my Instagram. So in case you're not following me there, I'm gonna link my Instagram handle in the description box below. So yeah, that was it for my Melbourne shopping haul. If you like the video, make sure to give this a big thumbs up. Comment down below which part did you like the best, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends also, please. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful time. Stay happy, stay peaceful. I will see you in my next video. Until then, find out what you love and do a lot of it.